So today, guys, I will be doing a video of me showing the pets in the house. Okay, first, we do have one in this room. I did not think one was in here, but here is it. It's one of our dogs. Her name is Laura. She is a very nice dog, but some people are really mean to her. She is a black German Shepherd. Alex's face pop just fell. Let's go try to find another one. And if you hear something, Alex, don't pause it, okay? Don't pause it though. If you hear like my TV, that's my brother Colby watching it. So just ignore that. Let's go find another. One's not in here. Let's go on. I know one's out here.
Professional flight.
And here we have our good little other doggie. She is a pit bull, and her name is Misa, a blue nose pit bull. Yes. We have our little kitty, Tang, a little kitten named Tang. He has a white nose. He is lovely.
It's imperative to set up a takedown early. It's imperative to throw kicks. And he's got to make this a fight.
I will check it here. Yes, there is the mother of all the cats. There we have. Here. Here. Hold on. Technology problems. Here, just hand me the camera. Here you go. This is the mother cat. I don't know if you could see her. Let me try putting on. Let me try. So there's another one of the kittens. It is exactly the same as Tang. Its name's Chips, but its nose is orange. So over here, this is the mother of the three kittens. We didn't. This is the mother of the three kittens. The only kitten we didn't pronounce yet is my kitten Brownie. She is tiny and she looks like a brownie. And this is the mother of all the cats, and her name is Butter. She looks like a big piece of butter. Now let's go back here. The white cats might be back there, but Butter does not have the white cats. You can probably tell because they're a lot bigger. Where's Brownie though? Did you find Brownie yet? No. This is basically a house tour too, but we're not showing you our house. We're trying to show you our pets. I think I know where Brownie is. One's not in here. Sorry guys, there is a kitten left to find, but then it's just the easy. No, I think I know where she is. There is the easy white cats, but can't find them either. I don't know. Oh yeah, Brownie's usually over here. Not right there. Nope. I think she might be in my room, or I did not think a cat was in. But if we can't find them, maybe we'll find them next video. But I might have to end it here because we're having trouble. But next video, if we find them, we might. Wait, we didn't look in the bathroom. Is he in the bathroom? No, not in the bathroom. So maybe next video, like I said, we might just go next video, and if we find one, we'll show them in the next videos. Because I am having trouble. I think one's under here. but I can't see. I'm gonna take one more look through the house. I checked my room twice, Alex. Okay, let's go into the back. I'll do the flashlight. You shine the flashlight and I'll check.
I like that. Armor All original protectant. It's easy to look good.
Under there. I don't know where she is. Is she like up here where she loves to be?
His father has less testosterone than his father. Before we suffer a masculinity crisis, force factor of America.
Ah, she likes hiding in here. I can't open this. Why can't I open this? What is wrong with the door? Like, turn back here, Alex. No. I will check back here one more time. But I really think I could find her. Look again. She's small, hard to find. She's the shyest. Like, and then we have the two white cats, which I can't find either. Come back here for a second. Why? Shiny not needs her for a second. Why? Because I'm going to do something with her. No. No. We are back with our pet Nisa, which is now. They can hear you. What? They can hear you. The video's still on. I wanted to. Should at you. Hurry up, Nisa. That is now licking my blue popsicle. And now you can see her tongue. But she's a very curious dog. Like we're curious where Brownie and the white cats are.
Right now, get $3,250 total cash allowance on 2017
So I'm sorry we couldn't show you the rest of the cats. We'll tell you their name. So there is a brown cat named Brownie. There's a white cat named Marley and another white cat named Daisy. But I'm sorry we can't find them. I will end the video here. Come on! And we might find them in another video. So, bye guys!